We are coming to another session which is very important. We are dealing with decision. Decision plays a critical role in the life of individual. So we'll be looking at the investment decisions. Which are these decisions which are used by investors or users of accounting information? So I'd like us to have a deep look at what we are supposed to cover in our discussion. One, we look at the decision theory, look at the introduction, types and application. And in essence, decision theory now carries all these types of theories or decisions. We have efficient market, single decision, rational decision. Then in the single decision, we look at the introduction. We introduce what's all about single decision, and then application, rational decision, introduction, application, then efficient market, introduction, application. So these are areas that we need to have our coverage. It's very important to have this, that every investor, every user of accounting information must have the knowledge of decision. Decision is very important. Without decision, we will not be making a difference. Every day we are making decision. When you wake up, you're making decision. When you are actually doing anything that you are doing, you are making decision. So what is decision in essence? Decision theory brings together psychology, statistics, philosophy, and mathematics to analyze the decision making process. Decision theory is closely related to game theory and is studied with the context of understanding the activities and decision underpinning activities such as action, evolution, and marketing. Now have this in mind that when you are making decisions, this brings us to the realization that it is used together in psychology, in statistics, in philosophy, and in mathematics. There is psychology part of it, there is statistics part of it, there is philosophy part of it, there is mathematics part of it. So at the end of it, you have a complete sense of information. Decision theory again plays a critical role. It's almost related to game theory, because game theory, we have three players. We have the player, we have the strategy, and then finally we have the payoff or the returns. So in decision, again, we are actually going around the same components. So out of the decision, we'll be able to do auctions, we'll be able to work on evolution, we'll be able to work on marketing. Decision theory framework generally identifies three types of decision classes. So these are the classes that we will have in the decision. One is decision under certainty. An abundance of information leads to an obvious decision. So you make decision on the basis of you already have the information. You have sufficient information. Number two, decision under uncertainty. Analysis of known and unknown variable lead to the best probability decision. So you make decision on the basis of what you know and what you don't know. At the end, you give the best decision. And finally, decision under conflict. Now, decision under conflict is also called decision under risk. A reactive approach that involves anticipating potential consequences to the decision prior to making a decision. So you already actually understand the risk of taking particular decision. So with this information in mind, when you are taking such decision, You have already the information. You know the consequences. You know the outcome. You know the impact or the effects of the decision that you're taking. So these are the critical components of the decisions that you are supposed to be classifying. Decision under certainty, decision under uncertainty, then decision under conflict. In other words, you make decision on the basis of information which is available. Represents a general approach to decision making which is suitable for a wide range of management decisions. So we make use of decision in the following areas. 1. Product and service design, equipment selection, location planning, capacity planning, product mix, and credit policies. There are also others, like in production management, like in marketing management, like in personnel management. So these are areas that we can actually apply decision. Decision is a process of choosing an alternative course of action when a number of alternatives exist. So anytime you think about decision, think about alternatives. You have different alternatives, you have different course of action, but you will only take one course of action. Out of the alternative that exists, you only take one course of action. That is decision. For example, maybe you want to sleep, you want to watch, you want to keep company with your friends, then you choose yourself which is the best decision for you at that particular time based on the information that you have. So if you sleep, that is the best or the alternative course of action. So the rest will be just alternative course of action. So decision is critical. Every human being, every living thing make decision. Every day we are making decision. Every hour you're making decision. Now, in the process of decision, in the process